to draw a parrot, to draw a parrot, easy peasy. Let's start up here at the top, and I'm going to draw a line coming down like that. So it's not straight, it's just coming to the side a bit, at an angle, that's what we call that. And then from the top, we're going to draw a nice curve, and then that's going to go up like that with a little funny thing on there. Can you see what it is yet? And then come down here and a little curve like that. That's our parrot's beak. So let's put a little hole there so he can breathe. And then we're going to draw a line that comes like that. And then it's going to come down to about halfway. I think I'm going to have to make that a bit bigger like that. Good. And then we'll draw the face. Okay, so we'll start there. And it's kind of like drawing a circle so that it doesn't go all the way around. And then we're going to need the eye, which will go there. And then the eyeball inside it, which is like a curly cur. And I'm going to add a little bit more ink to it like that. So it's like a fat, chunky, curly cur, a letter C. A blob with a little bite taken out of it. Now, what we're going to do is, these are going to be the wings. So we'll go up and around, and we'll join up there like that, and we'll draw the feathers on the wings like that. Now we're going to draw our parrot's body, so we come around a little bit so there's a nice fat tummy like that, and he wants to be sitting on a twig or a branch, doesn't he? So let's draw a line out like that, and then another one like that. All the way across, back up, and then back to there again. And he's going to be holding on with his little claws. So we'll go e, 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 like that. And e, 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 like that for his claws. I'm going to have to zoom out a little bit more so we can fit the tail in there, I think. Now we're going to do the tail. So come right down the middle of the body to the bottom underneath the branch there. I'm going to go all the way down like that. And then we're going to go all the way around it like that. So that's a feather. And then we're going to come a little bit to the side, and we'll come down and in like that. So not right down to the end. And we'll come all the way down there and like that. The same on this side. How are you doing? Are you keeping up? It's, oh, pretty Polly. There we go. And we'll do another one like this, coming not quite down to the end, and not quite down to the end. And can you see here, that should carry on the other side there. So if you've got a bit like that, then you can do that. And we can maybe, shall we put some feathers in? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's enough. Then all you have to do is colour him in. Thanks for watching and subscribing so you can keep coming back to Draw Stuff Real Easy to draw more stuff. Bye.